Ka District Social Welfare Officer East Giant Hills District kumjuk ke District Sunkalp Hub for Empowerment of Women DHEW East Giant Hills District harangkat kajian trilang ke District Project Management Unit DPMU Meghalam MBMA but District Mission Management Unit DMU MSRLS East Giant Hills District haka pratrik leber kila rakhi ya ke International Women's Day halor kapang for all women and girls right equality and empowerment. Ya ka jing lang lapen long hapo Klik Riyad West Community Hall Klik Riyad ha ka jing don lang ka MLA San Sutengah Saipung Constituency bat Chairperson Assembly Committee on Empowerment of Women Kakong Santa Mary Shela u Deputy Commissioner East Giant Hills District Shivanj Awasti na lor kiwei. Kakong Santa Mary Shela ha ka jingkren kalaya ro ya ka benta bakong san baki kentai kidon ha ka imlang salang bat penpauru ya ka jingshim kia ka sorkar jela ban kentiu shushu ya ka bha ka miat jong ki kentai. Kakong Shela kalaya thuru ya ki skim ki program bat ki polisi wa per bala pentri kam ta ka sorkar ban kentiu ya ki kentai bat ka khodru ya ka jingetri lang ha ka baya khun persya ya ki jingsniu ha ka imlang salang. Kiwede ki bala ay jingkren ki longka MDC Arpupra Narpu kong Devi Payati Nongper kabalong kum kasembut kong san ka District Social Welfare Officer bat member Secretary District Hub for Empowerment of Women East Giant Hills District kong Rika Bare bat ka Program Manager MCSWA ka kong Rini Beth Patlong. La yo ru ke jingkren pediang burom na ka Joy Merciful Darne Gender Specialist District Hub for Empowerment of Women ka kong Bishela Manager Young Scam IVCS Ltd molang bat ki kentin kublay na ka kong Rostika Simply Counselor OSC. Hakani ka singila pun kup burom ru ya ka Beti Bachao Beti Parau Brand Ambassador ka kong bat bit bahabare bat ki wede ki kentai ki bala job haki kam baper kumjuk ki kena school ki bapas baha haki examen baper jong usnam arajar arpulai arajar arpusaw. Lapan syong shit ya ka jingra keda ka jingshat tenrai na ki agan wadi jong ka saipung CNRD block.
Syong kumen syong tenat o syong sup wa jing slain yong ki wara kowe. Kam givingi manbe na kam gavingi manbe na ganing district uman kam gavingi nong bumi kman. Congratulate kivingi manbe wa Emily. Wa da Emily yang kata kesap ke pong wa yipi da ada cikin nyong pi. Kobi to igi manbe pun ha ikam wa kwa ile ha ka yugo sem yong i ha ka imlang sa lang ha ka chnong ka thao ha ka state yong i wara obi pun ha ikam wa kwa. Tak em ki por feli em ki por wa ye le ki kamyo hi tang wa khana e pinga jingyo yo nga ki pnar ko krach tom ba war ko widele ba I krach tomi mani kawi ka wa jingkar chan ni ki khon ki go wi ye le yu sem yo pi te jingkar chan ya ka chrong thawla ha war ko lyam ni nga jingyo yo nga ye semen ge experience yo nga yo iki pernah try to ki ki man be o trach toma jo ang ni amo ang wi ki man be tu ang mo di yu pa la hoy ta be mo yu tama na yu ku be da mani kam yu consuet ta mo yu pa di da mo o kya bari ya ga yu sem to em di pa ta to be nang trach tom chu chu wa yu pen sa tom tu ni kon ki la ko wi ga te ga sab ka pongo eu blai ko igi man be I mani kam di multitask yang waro ikam di jam we rap yang community ni pat your society waro kami tehini pa kwa pensia bi katakan ni chpanga wajing le ke sarkar yang ni wa yo ba pi ko budget session sedang mo do ang pratari ko pa April dekate de usal to budget session ka budget speech yang o ako to simon itu te papansiya pi ha gani ko wa yong ki SSG namun chua ki SSG MB san hajar mud ha do araja khatra takap te MB san ko ar hajar mud ki tentai wo em ha gani ka SSG so kuman ando bade dang poi wis ni dang kui te de ka sarkar ya kadi ka yung SSG development in Wachis Pakron, yung SNEM Arhajar Arhusan Arhunru, the unity ki jing terekam ke sarkar fi di manbe Yo kuchu chopi, yo bite ke jimun toy ye pi, kaptam ye ke jimun sem yang pi wara obi, pati ke society yang wara obi. Jabon ha ki kam ki jang, waya rap ki kam ki CM care, wada e allotment ki chispa at sokorol, ki wigi support yang kini ki CM SMS le bon ha ki scheme o CM yang i da kami o nangaliang yang ki empowerment yang i tinhan. Tengah ko ong ipi ini po, wasyam ha di manbay, chim kini di kebuk siya, wada hirap ke sorkar. Pat, ya gini ki skim wada EGP, pen emkam ka da gahok ke porom yung pi, yung yi wan ra, ikam ngub ha, agam nukon nukon. Kata tau emkam do. Imye gini ki officer, uyew pun wan ra hak ni kejat yung pi, hak wati. Hab ini nak iki pajba, hab lato, hab lawati, hab yat. Omat hab yat persutia ini officer leni gi nom itman. Emkam persutia ini yo ikit nam dayong ini. Emkam ba pilih gi manbay, wada yo bikini kebuksia kini gi skim waper na sorkar. Siang ha, wat kalat politi. Yo pi yo kate kecing kerchan ha kecing ini. Tapi tewa di kau kelam ini, dan Yoro kia akan ika ajar aku sana aku mandi kesem komha komnya tapi ni kam giman bay ya thokat thoruti ngala emo kam ga tanika chairman yang ga women empowerment yang ga assembly the siap ha ginu ki kam ga kam phi wan changa yo yi yara phi ha ginu ki ikam di jam kam tam di wajing yang phi yo yi yara phi moy ken nga mane yo ga sutna wan di changa ngaman ga abale yung borohi I lemani ga chairman yung empowerment ko na kasi yung ha yung wan yung thola tholuti pi yung yera pi kam gi jam pi ite ko klam pi ba da por de trongo ngala do be sa ko ga program am so perm yo e klam bai bu chiboni pi tang wakit bokir be pi pi iman be am lang ini yo abini nang di chat play ko kordo pi waro kilian ke sioma wat kini ke skim EME ha haga kti jadong pi yo ye ra pi ke sioma wat kini ke nak loti yo ye ra pi duite gente blechibon chijan.
I would really like to acknowledge the contribution of my own mother, my sisters, and now my wife, and the role they have played in my life to make me reach where I have reached today. So, but beyond this, this important day is also very important to discuss about the challenges that still are there. So first of all, we need to understand that although I think I am among the very few males present today in this program, but women issues are not just women issues. These are human issues. These are social issues, and all the stakeholders of the society, be it women themselves or male, all of us are responsible to ensure the theme that is for this year's International Women's Day, that for all women and girls, equal rights, equal opportunities and equal empowerment should be there. So especially my experience in Meghalaya, as we know that Meghalaya is a matrilineal society and we take immense pride in us being a matrilineal society, and we can see and observe also when I joined the state that in most of the places where I see now in the Kong shops, women are working, in everywhere women are working. So if we just see like this, when I observed this, I used to ask people, it means that women are really empowered here, they are going out, they are working. But empowerment doesn't just mean this. Are they able to really take decisions in the family? Are they really able to take decisions in their community? Are they working as community leaders or not? So we have to reach this stage, and then there are things about women like their health status, their education status, their livelihood, whether they are going into the roles that are required, whether they are getting well-paying jobs or still they are doing the jobs which require a lot of hard work but may not be so much highly paid jobs. So those were the challenges, and I will share some of my experiences and what I have learned from last 5-6 years, what changes we have observed. So if you know that before 5-6 years ago, our state was one of the highest in terms of maternal mortality in all of the country. And then from the government took initiative to launch the mother program, we decided that we will track each and every pregnant women. We will categorize them into high risk, low risk, and all the departments who are involved. Social welfare is actively involved in that. So you must be knowing how actively the government decided that this is the first priority of the government. And I'm happy to share with you all that in last 5 years, the maternal mortality of the state from being one of the highest in the country has reduced completely to half, and it has become one of the lowest. So maternal mortality is one, but then when we analyze that when we focus on the women's health, it is not just about the women. When you educate a women, when you focus on women's health, you are not just helping one person, but you are helping the whole family, the whole society, because it is the women who will bear the child. And it has been studied, now it is a part of research, that many times when a mother is not healthy, when a pregnant mother is not healthy, and the child brain is developing inside the womb, the child also after 10 years, 15 years of development will have significant gaps in his mental capacity, in the development, he may have certain diseases which we may not know also that why it is happening to the child. So now the government has also launched a new program which is completely an external aided project funded by World Bank, where we will follow the life cycle approach starting from the adolescent girl. The main problem, the main issue happens is the low iron content, that is anemia. So from focusing on the adolescent girl, then focusing on the pregnant women. So I hope and we all hope that if we work together like this, we will obviously and definitely achieve our goals towards women empowerment, towards a healthy and educated society as well. So apart from this, what I would like to share with you is my own experience in life, how women who were there have shaped me when I was child, because for child, his or her first teacher is his mother. So before even I went to school, I started learning many things about basic maths, basic English. So these kind of roles, if we educate a mother, then we will have an educated society and an educated child. So these were the things that I wanted to share with you, and still we have a lot of challenges, and we are also very happy and proud to know that from our district we have a women MLA who is representing us. So, and we have already, whenever I discuss with Madam regarding whatever schemes we have in the district, if we want to do something for Anganwadis, so she is also very forthcoming. She just said that if there is anything related to women, just go ahead and do it. So we hope that we will work together in future also. And as I said, that this is not just a women's issue, it is a human issue, it is a social issue. Yeah, and I would also like to tell all of you that you can approach me for anything, any issues that you are facing in your lives, wherever my office, the district administration can help in any way. Any challenges, we know that there are issues related to HIV in our district, there are issues, challenges related to drugs related problems in our district. So we have to work together on these issues. And if women can take lead in these things, I am very sure that society as a society will evolve for better. And again, I would like to end by wishing you all a happy Women's Day. Thank you.
Ini kita tak kru, senyum yang kita imlang kesalam yang i, lene umpun tule keribu kata kru yang i. Lada emi dulu i bentar, i bakian ni behe, i emi kecil kecil, ni bentar penuh penai, yang i kesen lene ya imlang kesalam. Waktu waktu emi mensen i tak mensen yang kecil aja. Kajing aja, kajing kiciton, kamjola determination, kemensen umhoi, give up, lada cami kajing aluti yang ini. Wah, kawin experience kawangan, kuah akanai pihak, hawalai aluti orang kajing im, hagani kang peta, kamadayupi, halis nam iwardep, dapat sanga, kata kajing senyang kawala, aibuar kian kam kentai. Raj na matau yarap ibu ni kentai. Kiwacam kajing ayu masam yang ki na percami uyarap lanyau kataga ti kaman ti kadiang. Wa kawihi ko ang kamhay ito nung tok temu ya blai. Bu blai kajing duai. Hang kajing yung am kami. Kapor bru to uyile. Handai kapor masen to pani no blai kinangwa. Uye yang bila kita kino kicing kita ichami imat ikam ikan Thai.
Bu em ki office सरकार ने ki तमाम की NGO को पे इभाई इkan Thai dang tu na ti ki betul wah hari kasi yang dang jai ke cak sopor icha le beng de bay nda dekat ni wan kat ni kini ki NGO dan ini lihat ke sorkar le M kini ki sentral ki kan ko OSC de yo iki kes betul orang pun hampir lada ông kena ke society yang itu ke society ko yi de ke thai henry dan chemi betul bon ki ke thai dan cha yang bengi no di dalam kesorkar bele de penigi ki skim kena we yi rap kam ki ki chai ki ke thai de em changing e ki he to we ban ben de mi ki ni kan ko OSC kan ko Allah ko bi na ki center ki wa yi pi vai register ke snyang la de em ki ke thai ki wa cha la ben ki cha de ki cha cho de ong he do e de henry hadu ini cha so bor na ni de bon ke kes ki ong i chen tawa kamu orang idang temu lagi, mohon saya pergi ke untuk ini. Lalu candi kamu pergi ke siapa? Bangla ke Jepang ni jaga soal penting jaga si yo ye punya kami kita kentai. Ini kentai mohon pani ki victim, mohon pani ki bang cale beng. Henry dia terli lagi pra igami. Ya wan ye wan ra ya kata dia lang sa lang coach ngai ye kentai. Tapi khusus kamu orang heliang ikut ikian dalam cembi budang pun kita thai budunan ini izin yo sumar Henry ni yang kesorka de kalau dijirap de gila jirap kamu orang ikan ni de ni kini skim yang ke MHIS kobi kalau kata mau ada ikan thai Henry ini cepat lah dari MKM sumar ni kata kobi ke skim de bete kami ikan thai mau pun kiwa kakon kami dengan PMMVY kami tak kasih bu engineer kata tak igi yok kan lengkong bagi buat mam tapi kan bon sen kamu ingat ni lain senyawi cenang cetau yang pi kini kiskim di sorkar hendai dan dunia di berbiang i kiwa wan cekaman wawai kamu mampu belajar di kata kiskim tak halor pada lain ci halor pada lain senyaw dan bon pi wote
manggaluti ko Hamtam ya kamera free manggaluti ko ha ni ha hamadan man yini puri ya ga play ya ga game cibun ki jingkena untuk ke jingkena ko we yi cha ni ha sapi ka ka ni namadan ni ha ki yi je tai do ki wasi ko san cha klam ni henry ke jing cha bat ke jing pencelur bat be kubre le hanan am ko be ni pa yo nga ni yo kurim yo nga ki wo pencelur ki wo emsen ya nga ko nado na yung nado lang kian ni man upa man inspiration nga waya nga si madan o ile ki football ni ta nado lang kian sedang ile ki munchwa nado na ki kai ile ki ba ichu yu tindang yang nga hadin ni te the yo ile hapo ka inter district but in ka state level but ka national level la te jing imsin yung biwi karo the district the boy chido kani kathang te kepat le yo bun ki man be wa ni kepat ki man be la penceluri ki kon ki yang pi ham ju pendu sini ki la de em da ong na hai puri akuti la ni ha ki kam sport la ni ha ki music la ni ki arts ki wo per em sini ki gam ong ko kon man frel ki kon yang pi ni pha lem yi ki lem ting yi pi yi ki khana ki ko thang yung kini do nung sin yung kini ngale menchua man ko stim junura mari nuro kata de man ko FIFA referee ja boru tin yang nuro klami ko be sajid la kam ga player India wo la chitesha Mexico hendrai nuro ong be jing khang kwa online but sajid la yang ga national referee ga ite pondo arjar khatra hendrai ko bor jing teng yang ngam nuro Pak pure ke benga la de coach na boyo ukre haga video haga office hendrai mari de wo jing tin yang nga sa slim nga boy oi ga ni ga thong ka national referee han la ka tele o man ka nung kong de yuruti le upun gi bikin thai mo tin pi but haga nung ka thong na do musin la yi klam ga jing trish kam ga pi mo pa chinu la Dengan jing kam ongi mindset mak waya kam jing bunang pi hakata ka luti bun gi open try pi ne kam kate mo la kam kate pi ki pi la ga Henry ke go umut pi ke jing pha ke yong pi bu bai ha ke jing mut yong pi ta nga u nes ke mo des ke mo ko no sta ka thong he
ki khon kan thai kan ni expect you umat ki ting man be upat hi tu masam Henry nga pa e jing kan men pi wa lan ma ping kan thai la tok ke kan churang pi na do khiam pi to ong pi wa aram bisa aram background yo iti kam bijam Henry hap ke pi ka talan ka ladi khana pi nga ma chwala lai mis bikhalia du sulawa cha de lai te khi na thana lai mis bikhalia do khasos nam tawai ti por am ti support ibi le a just speak up agi wa kwa ma ka ba ong pi le junno do am tingalam junno do am Henry hakasni man do am it become a turning point in my life titi daw ter pa ki khon kan khai kan ro le pi noi thong khana hanu sabi ham tin na be perchang bai le free pila pair it's all about experience kati to ka am kami no ngale khana pi mandalai ni Miss Meghalaya to job Miss Northeast le job poi family Miss India mem job ta mem to jeng kan to ki ga do blai emu plan nga emu na money tu maybe hagubi ka thau do man kam Dekat ni mana tak ada modal lab, tak ada lagi pajen Henry mana ke brand ambassador yang SBI, yang ke Sunrise Masala, they pilih ada miat lam tipu lam kam haga dulu kamu buat piu kam, ye piu try to be kapla. They coming back to being financially independent, it's really important. Ni pak kamu orang im house ke cerang. Kani le cerang kamu orang kamu tadi hapan bene unupa yung hoi mau. To iki i thai ni pak. Untuk all people who tahu cerang, Henry Hamani hagajo. It's all about being equal. Let them not be financially independent. Let the AUP that hadir dan kamu berkat timur bahwa orang bisa ekonomi. Karena dia hadu ni yang berbeda. Nah, OP i gedus kur penar ini ke bahwa kontrol habio orang deh. Nah, ibu hak deh. I dapat school dapat ni. Kalau di sana dapat cerita mi. Di iwana le atau yang ane pi ngau AP. Habo ang bentu kan nam di ya bisa AP ya yo setiap te be aram kam ngapa ada ngah AP. Ti thong yang nada do sedang achwa le ada di ga industry le awak le akan le to le ne beta ga jum sa nga. Teling ba ga jing lam jong blai le am kama sau tho ba ka nu ka jing ko da rumah ti do snore am por man de kui te sa rong no. Tawa hak jing na ti nga yi wa pun kui nga do ni to du ka jing snore nga hai.